Welcome back, everybody. I'm installing some fender flares on the truck. These are the rough country ones. I know that they stick out a little more. I might get spacers or a different offset wheel just to kick it out a little bit. I'm just to see what it looks like. Um, there's other videos of this being installed, and the guy just kind of pissed me off because he says to take that piece off, but you can obviously tell that it fits inside of it. So it pissed me off because I almost broke it taking it off, and I didn't have to. So on this truck didn't have fender flares originally. So there's 3 holes up here. I'm gonna go get some clips with screws for the top. I mean, it's not moving, but I'm gonna add them. Obviously, it just makes sense to do so. So the worst part of this whole thing is they have you put this little rubber strip around this outer edge here, all the way around. That way, when it the rubber is contacting the paint. So this one, you just follow the screws that you have, screw holes in this itself. Those are the only screws you need to remove. The other ones you can leave, so you don't end up taking your screws, because it helps to leave some screws in order to hold the other ones in place, the threads you need to get to, because if you take them all out, they'll move around on you and they'll like push in and stuff, so you don't want that. And they'll be offset of the holes, so it'll mess you up there too. So you just seen the back one, so literally you just need those 2 bolts out and those 2, and then I would add the 3 here, and that's it. So pretty easy. I'll do the other front, and then I'll just whole thing when it's done to see what it looks like. Maybe I'll pull it outside to get a better look, but yeah, I might just get wheel spacers or something. We'll see. All right. Also, to install this, and by the way, I like this rug too, especially for putting stuff like this in it. You know, it's not metal on plastic or whatever, you know. Anyway, what I'm doing is it's got this adhesive strip right there. I'm like getting it on so far, and then I hold it, and then I just pull the red, and then I press on it some more. You know, kind of need 2 hands for that, but all right. So I'm just kind of like holding it where I want it, and then just pull a little bit. Sometimes you can get a decent run. And just work it all the way around. All right, so I just put the front one on. I think it took me 5 minutes. Anyway, so you just need to take out these screws. I held it up here so I could see which ones I needed to take out. There's literally, oh, I forgot to put one in. I knew there was 5. So there's just those 5. You have to turn the wheel a little bit to get that bottom one, but it just literally goes over everything. You don't need to take anything off. I think that other video, they had like told this dude, hey, we got to make a video, go out there and put it on. So I don't even know where you got that. You got to take that off. So I'm going to do the other side, and then I'll pull it out, and then we'll see what it looks like and go from there. I'll tell you this. This rubber piece they have you put on, I think I would rather 2 things. Either pay $100 more for them to be on already, or they should take $100 off. Something one way or the other, because that takes all the time as to put this on, because they take like 5 minutes to put on otherwise. It's crazy. Alright, so here it is. And yeah, black. One thing I was worried about, dirty as shit. So I do like the way they look. So I probably will get maybe some wheel spacers. The ones with the studs, hub-centric spacers, and just put those on. That I think the easiest fix. But yeah, I think they turned out okay. So I'm gonna run with them and just widen the wheel stance a little bit. But I just didn't like the completely flat looking fenders. So minus the wheels, I think they look a lot better. So that's it. So please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and more to come. Until next time.